Hi friends, this is our second math video for day 4 of week 2. So week 2, day 4, second math video. We're going to open up our blue learn book and we're going to open up to page 17. Page 17. Now, this workbook page, we are going to need to rip out of our book. So I want you to go ahead and just rip page 17 out. The next page is page 19, and it has pictures on it like this. I want you to rip that page out too. The page after that is a blank page, and that's for tomorrow. You can close your math book. Today for math, our problem set page, you're going to need these 2 pages. Now, what the directions say, however, the first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. Go ahead and get your name written down at the top of page 17. It says, use the cutouts. These are the cutouts. Glue the pictures to show where to keep each thing. So we're going to have to sort these pictures. So in order to do that, first things first, we have to cut them out. So you are going to need some scissors. Remember, we hold our scissors very safely. We put our hand around the blade, especially when we're walking with them, right? I don't want to ever see you be playing with your scissors, putting them on your face, cutting something that you shouldn't be cutting with your scissors, because in school, we only cut paper. Remember? We only cut paper with our scissors. So we're going to practice. Open, close, open, close, open, close. You're going to cut on the dotted line. So go ahead and cut, cut, cut. Open, close, open, close. You're going to have to move the page around a little bit while you are cutting. And you're going to cut, there's 6 pictures here, and you're going to cut all of them out. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Cut, 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 cut. And you're going to cut on the dotted line all around each picture, so you will have 6 boxes. Now remember, Miss P has a lot of years of cutting experience, right? I've been cutting for a lot longer than you. So if you are not as fast at cutting as I am, I want you to pause the video so that you can catch up with me. Okay? You will have a stack of 6 pictures when you are done cutting. If you need to pause now, go ahead and pause. You're also going to need a glue stick though. So if you need a glue stick, pause the video and go grab a glue stick and finish cutting your pictures. Where do your scraps go? They go in the garbage, right? Don't leave your house a mess. Make sure that you pick up your scraps and throw them in the garbage. Okay, friends, we are using our pictures and we're going to sort them into the 2 categories. One category is a backpack. These must be like school items. The other category is a chest. It kind of looks like a treasure chest, but this is a toy chest, okay? This is where you would keep toys. Let's go ahead and spread out our 6 items. So spread out your 6 pictures. And I want you to find the train. Choo, choo, choo. Where would the train go? Would train go under school stuff, school supplies, or toy chest? The train is a toy, right? We're going to put it with the toy chest. When you glue, friends, go ahead and take the cap off your glue stick. And my glue stick's purple. Maybe your glue stick is purple too. When we use a glue stick is a lot easier to use than liquid glue. If you use liquid glue, we just want to use a dot of liquid glue. It's very hard. It's very easy to make a mess out of liquid glue. You don't want to use too much of this glue either, though. If you use too much of a glue stick, it's going to create a huge mess too. So you want to You want to twist your glue stick up just enough to see the glue at the top. And you are going to rub a spot underneath the toy chest. I'm just going around in a little circle, okay? And there's enough for you to see the purple. Do you see that purple on the page? That's enough. Now, I don't have purple chunks on the page. No, I just see the purple. And I think that's going to be enough for me to stick my train on. So I'm going to push down on the train. And when I hold it up, that train is sticking on, right? It's not falling off. And it's also, it doesn't have glue chunks coming out of it. Okay, so you want to glue just enough to stick it on. Next item. A piece of paper. Where is this piece of paper going to go? In the backpack or in the toy chest? This is a school supply, so you're going to glue this underneath the backpack. So the same thing, I'm going to go around in a circle, press down a little bit on the page, and I'm going to have a purple circle there, and I'm going to stick my paper on top of that. It's not too much that it's chunky. It's not too little that it's falling off. It's just the perfect amount. Let's take a look at this teddy bear. Where is this going to go? Is this a school supply or a toy? It's going to go in the toy chest, right? That's a toy. I'm going to make a dot underneath the paper. Oh my goodness. Why did Miss P put a dot underneath the paper? Where does this go? This goes in the toy chest. Miss P. I don't know why I put the glue in the wrong spot. I'm so sorry, friends. The teddy bear is a toy, so it's going underneath the toy chest. I put a glue dot underneath the train and put the bear underneath the toy chest. Ay, 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 friends. I don't know where Miss P's brain just went. Let's check out the pencil. Where's the pencil gonna go? In the backpack or in the toy chest? Now this is one that goes in the backpack. I already have a glue dot there, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna push my pencil on, and I don't even need to add any more glue because it's perfect. Okay, we have two more pictures. I don't know if they're toys or not. This is a doll. Where's the doll gonna go? In the backpack or the toy chest? The doll will go in the toy chest. Make sure you put it on the right side and not like Miss P tried to do earlier. Okay. The perfect amount. We don't want chunks of glue coming out because that'll make your hands super sticky. Last but not least, soccer ball. Backpack or toy chest? This is going to go in the toy chest as well. It's a toy. Now, I've also seen boys and girls take the back of their whatever they're gluing and rub it on the top of the glue stick. You can also choose to do that if you want to rub it on the top of the glue stick. I always find it a little bit easier to just rub it on the piece of paper that I'm trying to stick the item on. So I have some purple glue on the back. Again, not too much that it's going to create a problem. And I'm going to put this in the toy chest because a soccer ball is a toy. It's not a school supply. Now, there might be a day when you want to take a little teddy bear to school, right? And you put it in your backpack just to give it a little snuggle if you're feeling homesick. And that's okay. But typically, these are all toys. How many toys do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many school supplies do we have? 1, 2. Nice job, friends. You did a wonderful job sorting those objects with me. Thank you so much for working so hard with me. If you would like, you may go into the the Red Succeed book, and on page 15 is the homework helper sheet for lesson 4, and then the next page, page 17, is the homework sheet. On this page, you are going to look at all the bears, and you're going to make 2 groups of bears. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can make 2 groups of bears, so you're going to decide which 2 groups of bears you want to make, and then talk about why you put those in 2 groups. There's a lot of correct answers for this one. So you're going to circle 2 groups. This might be one that you just want to look at and talk about with your grown-up or your family at home. You did a wonderful job working with me today, friends. Thank you so much for working hard, and I will see you later.